Hi, my name is Aditya, and in this video we're going to talk about the top features of the iPhone 12 Pro Max from Apple. This premium device gets Super Retina OLED display and it's powered by the latest Apple A14 Bionic chipset, and it gets 6 GB of RAM along with different kind of storage options. So let's talk about the top features of this latest iPhone premium variant. In terms of the design of the iPhone 12 Pro Max, the first thing you'll realize about this version is that it sports a bigger display. So it gets a 6.7-inch screen size, but the dimensions have been made in such a way that you don't feel the heaviness or the unwieldiness of the size. Then in terms of the build quality and the design finish, what you see is that Apple has gone for a more flat finish this time around compared to the curves that we've seen with the previous versions from the company. It sports a 6.7-inch Super Retina display, which is an OLED screen, and it offers up to 1284 by 2778 pixels resolution. This translates into pixel per inch density of 458 ppi. The phone is powered by the latest Apple A14 Bionic chipset, and it gets 6 GB of RAM. You get 128 GB storage, you get 256 GB storage, and you get 512 GB storage. And like every other iPhone models in the market, you cannot expand storage for this one as well. In terms of battery backup, Apple is offering 3687 mAh battery with the 12 Pro Max, and this promises battery life along with fast charging of 20 watts that's there with the built-in Lightning connector. You also get 15-watt wireless charging, which works through standard key wireless charging supported chargers out there in the market. In terms of the cameras though, that's where it gets very interesting. Apple has gone with 3 rear cameras, and these are wide cameras. You have the macro telephoto camera, or you have the ultra wide camera. All these sport the 12 megapixel resolution, and you also have this TOF 3D sensor, which supports different kind of capabilities that are worth looking at. Then on the front also you have a HD selfie camera, dual sensors that also works for not only clicking selfies and video calls, but also helps you unlock the device using the Face ID feature. In terms of the other features that we can talk about this phone, even though the size is not quite big and size, what we feel is that the color options that are available with the iPhone 12 Pro Max, it makes for a decent opposition. And finally, iPhone 12 Pro Max runs on the latest iOS 14.1 version, which is upgradable to more years of iOS version that will be available in the near future. So the premium version of the iPhone 12 series gets triple cameras at the back along with the LiDAR sensor, and then you have a 6.7-inch Super Retina display with OLED panel that also gets Corning glass protection on front and the back. It runs on iOS version 14, and it's powered by Bionic A14 chipset from the company along with 6 GB of RAM. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned with us for more.